What do you know about Akuapem? What have you heard about Akuapem? Or what do you want to learn about Akuapem? Where in Akuapem did you come?
Mampong.
Me chow bia na be mo ni me chow ai.
Una no na say we say.
Me bra.
Hey, na ahanya Ghana. Ghana here.
The man who believes Akuapem dey Ghana o. Na Akuapem man nyina no ye hene no. Ohene na also no. Once I am Gamanche and I am ni Gamanche ba.
Gamanche ba ko pe.
What your friend say?
Friend na itakita ko churu.
Okay. Nti Akuapem so ye hene ye Osiade Yokwasi Akufu the third.
Osiade Yokwasi Akufu the third.
Yeah.
I pass Akuapem go for you and Manfi and those kind of things.
You are beautiful.
Thank you.
So you are beautiful. You say, "Oh, you be a feel" in my language.
Oh, you be a feel.
Oh, you be a feel.
Oh, you be a feel.
I can't for you for I can't for.
I can like Ashantis, Kwaus and Fantis.
Yeah, it be so. Sango for the boy Akuapem.
Especially that festival they do at I forget the place. Is it Latte?
Latte. So you've been to Latte before?
Yeah.
Yeah. Santa for me Achim for ni Akwamu for.
Okay, Achim na Akwamu.
I'm not cancel.
Oh, okay.
What do you know about Akuapem? What have you heard about Akuapem? Or what do you want to learn about Akuapem? So today we're on the street of Accra, asking people what they know or what they want to learn about Akuapem. Let's do this thing together. Remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel. If it's TikTok and Facebook, remember to follow. Thank you very much. So what about Akuapem, Dana?
Not really, nah, David.
Won't see Akuapem, Dana.
David.
Have you met Akuapem before?
Yes, once.
What have you learned or what do you know about Akuapem?
Oh, the surrounding is nice.
So where in Akuapem did you come?
Mampong.
Mampong. Abri. Which side? Abri and Mampong. Oh, okay. So how was the experience there?
Oh, it was good. Especially that festival they do at I forget the place. Is it Latte?
Latte. So you've been to Latte before? Oh, okay. So do you know how to speak their language, the Latte language?
Nah.
So in Latte, if you want to say how are you in Latte, you say Entewo Kete.
Entewo Kete.
Yeah. Or Endewo Yeti.
Endewo Yeti.
Now I just say like you respond me here like you say it Mayo Bale.
Mayo Bale.
Mayo Bale.
Mayo Bale.
Yeah.
Please, is it a tree language or?
It's not tree, it's Guan. It's when it comes to Akuapem, we have the Akans and the Guans. You understand? So the Akan speaks Akuapem Chi and the Guan speaks Latte, Okre or Chirpon. Have you heard of mente people? Like we have some people who speak mente.
Yeah, I've heard of them before, but I don't know them.
Oh, where did you hear that?
In school.
Yeah, we are that people. You understand? Oh, which tribe are you?
I'm a Gan.
Gan. So speak one Gan.
Toyote.
Oh, you're 10. I want to say moi.
Yeah, where you're Jogba.
Oh, you're Jogba.
Yeah.
Which tribe are you?
Gan.
Gan. You to speak one Gan. Or like construct centers in Gan.
Yeah. Oh.
You're Refi.
Oh, there. I'm Ishka.
Hey, Moska. Bye. What's your name?
Susanna.
You are beautiful.
Thank you.
So you are beautiful. You say, oh, you be a feel in my language.
Oh, you be a feel.
Oh, you be a feel.
Oh, you be a feel.
Now I can say me dasi.
Me dasi.
You oh, you be a feel. You say in Gan.
Oh, you for.
Oh, yeah, for. What you say?
Oh, you are done.
Oh, you are done. All right, bye. What's up?
Cool.
Yeah, I beg you hear about Akuapem before?
I hear Akuapem. I go there before.
Okay, what side of Akuapem will you come?
I not come from Akuapem, but I go my just started to go school for there.
Oh, okay.
I pass Akuapem go for you and Manfi and those kind of things.
Oh, okay. So as you pass there, what be the experience?
The weather way, how the weather day, how the community day, I they feel happy. I appreciate the community.
Why you know we try and get money then come buy some land be there maybe if you build.
Oh, you see, as for land there, how the chief council they fight for land, they go feel sell the land 2 or 3 people for one person.
As I know is the way they.
I beg, I afraid. I don't get time for court and those kind of things.
I see that.
I don't get time.
I see that. But we have that kind of chief.
I don't want somebody go betrayed me.
Yeah.
Or you go use using alcohol on me.
Yeah, I see.
I don't want that kind of things. So if I get one city a day here, I go feel handle where I did. Me a day this the west, the north. I'm only be where I did.
It be cool mindset, but I just want to educate you. Said Akuapem and him some gidi be and so everything they cool for that side.
So as I come, no, go feel lead me get one portion.
Oh yeah, sure.
I come, go feel give me 2 plots.
Make no worry.
What I go do? Maybe you go be red. I go do what they do maybe programs and things. Okay. That one where I like. I want make a build house. Sure. Where they go do programs, event center.
So Akuapem to the small village. If you get like 20,000, if you get one plot of land.
no be any problem.
We big towns, so maybe 35, 50 inside. Figure one plot.
No problem. That want to be small money.
Alright.
No be 1 billion. I go figure like 3 or 4 acres. Maybe they go give me discount. I don't have any problem.
Bozu, what's up?
Cool.
You come Akuapem before?
Yeah.
What side of Akuapem where you come?
Murphy.
Manfin. Okay, what you come do for Manfin?
We can do some business.
Okay, you can do business. Alright, so how be the experience for Manfin as you come?
The place be nice.
Okay.
The place be the weather.
You feel the weather?
The weather, the environment, everything be nice for the place be quiet for meditation.
Sure. If you get money, come weekends and come chill for the days.
Oh yeah, that place there. If you my target.
I appreciate boss. Opening patron ni Akuapem.
There mention any more. Matidi ni da ba ni me kwa.
Now what's here now say Akuapem for saying like then I what's for Akuapem?
I was like, man, TV be running more, but it's like you can't. It's like sending area and it's nyame wo ho experience more things, but me.
Akuapem na kind of me pause and it so what I say I want so fine. Yeah, I ho and na crofo na wo no so hujo. So what I say na wo ba Akuapem so a ye wo akanfo and guanfo. So what I say unuma we guanfo. Unuma akanfo info na akanfo.
I can't like Ashantis, Kwaus, and Fantis.
Yeah, ebi so wo sanko for ebi wo Akuapem. And na ye won crofo bi so a omoye guans. What's mente da?
It's like mente for example, Akuapem. Mente latte.
Good.
And
Until mente for latte for can brew adu chroma bonsin as so mo doso. Until crofo no mo ka mente na mo doso ho. And as crofo no mo ka mente na bi wo ho na akanfo no so se na ka asantfo no achemfo no ebi san wo ho. Until mu mienu na mo ye Akuapem.
Okay, nti asantini sa omo no mbo
omo ho no mo ye asantfo mo ye achemfo ne akwamufo.
Okay, achim ne akwemu.
Omo no mo ye cancer no.
Okay.
Na guans no mente na okan no. Omo so mo ho na mo ye Akuapem.
Oh, okay. Matias, yeah.
Into two different ethnic group and I said 2 different tribes no boom.
No boom Akuapem.
And Akuapem man nyina no ye hene no. Ohene na also no. Once I am gamanche and I am ni gamanche ba.
Gamanche ba ko pe.
What your friends say?
Friend and it akita kochu.
Okay. Nti Akuapem so ye hene ye osi ade ye kwasi akufu the third.
Osi ade ye kwasi akufu the third. Okay.
Se na ye wo asante hene no sa na ye so ye wo Akuapem hene. So at Akuapem nya ye wo ne oda no.
Okay, nti Akuapem nyina ni ohene na obo
no. Ono osi ade ye kwasi akufu.
Ye kwasi akufu.
Okay. Ono da Akuapem nyina.
Na no.
Owo ahemfo bebre hye na se. It's Uber Akuapem ya che Akuapem 5 yo Benkum division, Nifan division, Kronti division just like Achichem. It's ahemfo nyina hye na se. As a president no you MP wa high meeting.
Okay. Okay.
Nya bre ya so Uber Akuapem na be experience.
Oh, me Akuapem it's like me obi aka Akuapem ne bi wa ha oton cable. Okay. O come chrome asem kire me pa mpese me call nti o say ahwa Christmas we dey
sharp
city on. O say o can say it's like wo ho na ade a chira ubie ade ntia kaka na ade be chira ubie window a say na hu weather no o say
bi be chira bi on phone so e dey video
see nti mpese me hu na me hu cause ye Akuapem mountains ye can dey man so me dey baby ama kwa isi ochire
one side.
Oh, it's like call where
Imensa.
Sat me call do up. Nti me hu top
upon here. One will top on bound from Israel.
But
we am the weather and be better.
Better me that's it.
Charlie, as we dey Accra we dey do video, they ask people say what they know about Akuapem no. Where somebody be say oh here say Akuapem weather be cold and kind of thing. Where Jason fog be that morning fog weather for my phone to show am. Oh say hey what you talk? Is it hey na ahanya Ghana yeah. The man don't believe say Akuapem dey Ghana. Charlie the fog be hard. I say come Akuapem. You feel that? Can't feel the weather some, can't feel the environment some. Welcome to Akuapem. All right, so your mom is Sophie Okropon Akuapem. See na makra na bi say bisa man for about Akuapem. Be sure be no say Ofi Akuapem Okropon. Ti mommy oba fi ache.
Me ko ha ache bo.
So oba fi o.
Me ba.
Nti afi o dry one ba.
E bi mamba.
Oh, I don't know yes sir.
O na ma ye busy kakra.
Okay. Nti Okropon den bro no na ofi mu.
Ifre bemu.
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 Oh, okay. That's number 12 frozen.
Mefe me fusi atimo.
Okay, obusuafo no be hu won ti ka kire bibi.
Me tia obi a na be mo ni me tia o e.
Una na no na say obi sa.
Mi bra.
O bra.
Be mo ni.
Sene we de she.
This is prekupe.
Sure. And ne say dia odura na wo say oba fi.
Beba.
All right, Penny, unu Akuapem.
Yeah, me ni Akuapem.
Unu me bi o.
By area kura e won na me nhire ni ba bi e wo.
Ba wate da.
O Martin din bebi.
Akuapem o me pono so wakọ adenta da.
Adenta
Ana Madina.
Medina de menko me first time me ba Accra na omodi me ko
Akuapem e Eastern region. Yewo Akans and a Guans and Ombo mu ye Akuapem. So what you say?
Yeah, me tia see me.
Wo ye dey ni?
Oh, me northern.
Chem northern kasa ba ko. Wo te san ba kan say?
Oh, dinya o me angse mo me kasa de me mfam ba bai.
O kasa na me pe.
Oh, me kasa de no more. Yeah.
Oni e den kasa no.
Kese etisen. Kese bukum.
Okay. Den kasa na kan no.
Bukum kasa. Yeah.
Bukum dem kasa nkran bukum wana.
Oh, o corn of side ya wo travel bia ye frɛ mu bukum.
Okay.
Bukum.
And I say twi de wonu me da. Akanfo no mo Akuapem no say etisen de wonu me da wana.
Oh, me nim dara.
And I guanfo no so on beka say wo ende wo yete.
Ndu what?
Ende wo yete. Na waka say mere baale. Nti na bra Akuapem.
Yo ma to anyi.
Ohono me bra obeti abeton weni bo awa sumdwe ho bibia ohono be bo adwuma o so what you say. Ya frozen.
Your friend is Sidu Latif.
Huh?
Sidu Latif. Yeah, Sidu.
Martin, that's it. All right, champion. Then I will for Akuapem.
Akuapem no ade a me ne fa ho se omo ye ama papa anomo so bo mu bu mu.
Okay, into akoda.
Me ma call once.
If I sign now by.
Me ba se ye ko camp wo ho no mo.
Like they close na mo camp.
Ye ko e wo every.
Okay, every na mo. Okay. Martin. Akuapem so ye wo ye festival bi a ye fe no odura. Enu hum so what you say. Okay, nti odura no like amane ne amamre pi na ye nti try so we ba on so what you say.
Okay.
So nkasa ukọ on no feel weather ne bibia.
Yeah, me feel weather ne bibia.
And Akuapem no say ye wo akanfo and aguanfo so what you say. Akanfo no mo ka twi, mo ka Akuapem twi. What say Akuapem twi da? Ana won say bi da.
Twi no dey me take akra ba tanye.
Okay. And ye wo guan kasa, the guan ne okre no so ye friends latte. Nti me nchiro ba ko.
E pa cha.
Wan kasa wo ye dey ni.
Me Adani.
Sada mo yen kran for na mo yen kran for.
Adani kanu ye ba ko.
Ti kan da ba kasa ba ko na me shade. Bia o kon fa ba kan say.
Joya.
Na kran so kon fa ba kan say.
Ngboya.
Okay. Buan fo no mo Akuapem na bia o kon fa ba kan uwo.
Uwo.
Okay, uwo. Na e bia o ba. Say obi sa so kon ba kasa o ba kan say. O ba say.
Ewo me kasa ni. Joya alo Umba.
Nine crowns o baba can say.
O balo.
Okay. Na me de no ye miebe. Okay. That's it. Kindly go to the comment section and write what you know, what you want to know, or what you've heard about Akuapem. Remember to subscribe, like and follow. Thank you very much.